Just to start with some pictures from the planning portal about how Wixams is going to look when it's finished. There's going to be a 2-platform station constructed with a cafe and a staff building alongside the ticket office. That gives you an idea. You can pause those with a rather large car park constructed to the left. And then into the footage. So welcome to the channel. This is a new video on Wixams. If you're new here, please do drop me a subscribe. It always helps. This is a Wandering Northerner channel. We film construction around the southeast and around the UK. So this is when the railway was shut a few weeks ago for overhead line works. You see they've now got access to the railway in a couple of places. And there was works going on all weekend. This has been down the line in various places as they're upgrading the overheads on the fast line. It's a hive of activity. You see the mud from the recent flooding and rain. It looked terrible on site, but you know they've got protective clothing on. But yeah, very wet site there. And it's that JCB, or I only know the brand names. Moves that rather large piece of metal off site. And then you can see this is filmed this weekend. This was the 6th of October. You can see those access points there on the railway. All the tracks from where the work had been carried out the week before. Now new overhead line gantries appearing on the far side of the track. And they've also made that walkway across the track, which you could see them laying in the video just before then. Yeah, these fencing's been added where they've cut the railway fencing away. And then there's another section just a little bit further to the right where more fencing's been removed. There's Universal's lakes in the background. Yeah, the other access point there from onto the railway. So the plan is just to build a 2-station platform at the moment. Unless Universal's approved, and then it'll swap to a 4-platform station. Expecting to hear some news on Universal in November. There's that other access point there. And you can see the line, I guess they're called gantries, on the far side of the track. Railway was open this weekend, so there's no work going on. There's that crossing. I assume it's a crossing. If it's not, let me know in the comments. And then just a view over the site showing how much rain was still there. This is 2 weeks after the heavy rainfall. A little bit less plant on site, but still some Caterpillar, JCB, what I'd call a bulldozer, and like a dump truck of some kind. You can see there's another gantry laying down on the floor on the far right. Wixams estate still being constructed in the background. And then just an overview of the site. A little stream where the water's built up there. New homes available from Bellway if you want to live next to the station. Convenient route into London. There's me at the top. All fenced now to that point there on the entrance. Still so much water retained on the land. Obviously no drainage in place yet. But yeah, there's your overview of the site. Please do like, comment, subscribe, share this around so people can see what's going on here. And we'll continue to track this as it develops. Thanks for watching.